X1 Viga. Sakit po lahat ng players, sakit po. Banti, rebound the ball, pass to Nase. Nase, pass to bola nakuha ni Seriano. Seriano, open for three. No good, rebound by. No good, rebound by Seriano. Yan pero may foul for left. Jersey number 4. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots para kay Seriano.
Hello.
Last throw para kay Soriano. Double again, rebound by Banti. Banti. Dan po, Dan. Double goes to defense. Soriano, pass to Nase. Nase second to play. Pass to Manalasan, offensive foul para kay Manalasan. Committed first personal foul. Soriano, pass to Bulgayo. Bulgayo, starting by Bati. Bulgayo. Bulgayo, lays it up, no good, rebound by out of bounds. Defense ball. Soriano, pass to Bulgayo. Bulgayo, Luminisate. Bulgayo, pass to Estrella. Inamat, no good. Block by Manalasan, nakuha ni out of bounds. Inside the ball. Banti, pass to Nase. Nase, pass to Singh. Singh, all shot, no good. 3 by Singh again, inakat. 2 points para kay Singh. Bulgayo. Bulgayo, setting the play. Guarded by Banti. Bulgayo. Bulgayo, wala na may tamang bola. Bulgayo on solid. Out of bounds, same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Santos. Santos, no good. But there's a foul, Nase committed. First personal foul. Last draw. No good, rebound by Banti. Banti, pass to Singh. Singh, got it back to. What's the ball there, pizza? Tapping violation. Soriano, pass to Bulgayo. Bulgayo, guarded by Banti. Pass to out of bounds, the ball goes to Ace Adriel. Nase. Nase. Dribbling the ball, Nase, pass to Singh. Singh naman. Basket is good. Soriano. Good ball. Ace Adriel ball. Nase. Nase guarded by Soriano. Nase. Out of bounds. The ball goes to defense. Soriano pass to Estrella. Estrella long three. A ball. Banti. Inbound the ball, pass to Nase. Pass to Manalasan. Manalasan shot. Basket is good para kay Manalasan. Official score 6-3 in favor of Ace Adriel. Estrella. Pass to Bulgayo. Bulgayo. Bulgayo, pump. Bullseye pa rin. Pass to Santos. Shot. So, good rebound by Estrella na nga 2 points para kay Estrella. On the ball red timeout committee. Dahil po lahat ng dadaan. Isa niya. Pass to Sing. Sing, pass to Batim sa gilid. Nawala po lang awan ni Manalansan. 2 points para kay Manalansan. Timeout committee. Pass to Estrella. Estrella. Backline Nasir. Starting by Nasir. Nasir yung matawin. Pass to Manalansan. Manalansan. Take shot. Basket is good. Para kay Manalansan. Good tayo. Good tayo. Gamit ang team. Good tayo. Mataya the middle to loader. 2 points. Para kay good tayo. Nasir. Nasir. Setting the play. Pass to Manalansan. Open for 3. No good. Rebound by Nasir. No good. Rebound by Sing. Pump. Pass to Banting. Wala. Nawa ni Sing. Sing. Pass to Manalansan. Side step to the drop. Pass is good. Para kay Manalansan. Estrella. Pass to Bugayo. Nagmamadali. At sa middle. Pass to Maytron. Tumadag. Foul. Manalansan. Bugayo na rin. Bugayo. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Out of bounds. The ball goes to Asaspiel. Substitution. Pagan in, Banting out. Nasir. Pass to Sing. Pass to Pagan. Wala na ulit. Estrella. Foul. Pagan. First personal foul. Running to penalty. On the ball right side. Basket is good. On the ball right timeout. Timeout. Hey, Saspiel.
Yan, pre. Nakamix na system eh.
Pamalit kailangan nila na yun. Kaya, lumabis ang pamalit.
Wala nga.
Pagpahingay mo yung dalawang mo,
Ako ba, pahirapan sa iyo pero mabiglas ko.
San Jose, third personal foul. Penalty. Latro, pass is good para kay Sing. Bugayo ang iba na ball, pass to Cesadon, back to Bugayo. At ayun sa mga Nadal sa foul. Nasir. Running to Bradley. First team down. Cesadon. Nasir. Pass to Sing. Sing. Foul. Sing. Committed third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots para kay Estrella. First right counted. Last row. Basket again. Banting inbound the ball. Pass to Nasir. Nasir pass to Manalansan. Out of bounds, same ball. Nasir pass to Manalansan. Pass to Banting. Open to blue. No, good rebound by Manalansan. Pilihan by Manalansan. He scores for the 67 in the drop. Hey, Asaspiel. Cesadon. Sasadon. At the middle. No good. Puro na by Bantu. Sayang Bantu. Back to the middle.
Kaya naman yun, hindi na yun. Kami yung ganit tayo.
Magan, inbound the ball. Pass to Nase. Pass to Manalansan. Para the blue. Manalansan was the ulit. Bilangin foul para kay Frank Pangaliban. 4 meter. First personal foul, first team foul.
Mga nakaldagis sa Frank.
Nase. Setting the play. Nase pass to Singh. Foul. Santos. 4 meter first personal foul, second team foul, audible ref substitution. San Jose in, Santos out. Magan pass to Nase. Nase pass to Singh. Stolen by Sasedon. Take. Sasedon shot. No good. Rebound by Manalansan. Manalansan. No rebound. Pero dead end. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Magan pass to Nase. Nase pass to Singh. He's still on the line. The ball goes to defense.
Dito lang eh.
Strength on the ball, pass to Sasedon. Close up the move. Sinangat pero may foul. Magan. Second personal foul. Penalty. First drive, basket shoot para kay Sasedon.
Trip lang yun si Rupit eh.
Nakakawasan ka ha. 2-2 para kay Sasedon. Nase. Pass to Manalansan. Umatake. Hinangat. No good. Rebound by San Jose. Stolen by Magan. Magan na tayo na middle. Pass to Singh. Point para kay Singh. Ay pass para kay Magan. Sasedon. Sasedon fake. Foul. Magan. Third personal foul. Penalty. Yan na siya. The wait is over. Good langis mo na. Good langis. No good rebound by Singh. Singh shot. Blocked by San Jose. Rebound by Sasedon. Pick. Wala nakawalin natin ang foul. Paniban. Second personal foul. 30 foul out. First try para kay Nase. Basket is good. Last row. No good rebound by Manalansan. Shot. No good. Out of bounds. The ball goes to. Hey, Sasriel. Tingnan mo dito. Soriano, pass to Nase. Pass to Singh. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Pasayin na Rupit eh, no? Fake pass.
Audible ref substitution. Alice in. Straight out. Nase. Pass to Manalansan. Pass to Singh. Singh, back to Manalansan. Blocked by Alice. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Soriano, inbound the ball. Pass to Nase. Nase, pass to Manalansan. Manalansan, guarded by two. Foul. Pangaliban. Third personal foul. Third. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. First try, no good. Last throw para kay Manalansan. Basket is good. Alisin ba ito? Pass to Sasagon. Guarded by Soriano. Sasagon. At Ramírez. Pass to Santos, pass to San Jose. San Jose, play. Pass to Alice, pass to... Yan. Foul. Manalansan. Third personal foul. Penalty. First try, counted. Last throw para kay Sasagon. 2 for 2 para kay Sasagon. Oliver left substitution. Comandante in Manalansan out. Soriano, tingin ka mo dito. Si Soriano. Boys para kay Soriano. Sasagon. Sasagon, pass to Alice. No good. Rebound by Comandante. Comandante, pass to Soriano. Soriano, set the play. Soriano, pass to Comandante. Side step, raise up. No good. Rebound by Nase. Nase naman, wala. Nawali Sin. No good. Rebound by Soriano. Wala. Nawali. Ano ba na? Double goes to...
Tinira ka agad eh.
Pwede po tayo sa ilalim ng court. Hanapin po ka. Nase, back to Soriano. Soriano, pass to Nase. Nice it up. Basket is good para kay Joshua Nase. Alisin ba ito po? Pass to Sasagon, pass to Santos. Santos, target by Comandante. Back to Sasagon. Sasagon, umatake, inangat. Pushing foul para kay jersey number 15. Santos committed. Second personal foul penalty. 2 shots para kay Joshua Nase. First try. No good. Last throw para kay Nase. No good again. Rebound by San Jose. Nilabas ang konti. Pass to Santos. Shot. No good. Rebound by Soriano. Soriano. Walang bola stolen by Santos. Pass to Sasagon. But there's a foul. Comandante. First personal foul penalty. First try para kay Sasagon. Basket is good. Last throw para kay Sasagon. Two para kay Sasagon. Soriano, pass to Nase. Nase pass to Singh. Guarded by 2. Stolen by out of bounds. Defense ball. The ball goes to Santriel. Soriano pass to Nase. Nase pass to Singh. Guarded by 2 man. No, rebound by San Jose. San Jose pass to Sasagon. Guarded by Soriano. Sasagon, nawalang bola. Pass to Alisin naman. Effort, nawalan ni Sasagon, wala nawalan ni Singh. 0 points para kay Singh. San Jose, pass to Santos. Santos, at the middle. Nawalang bola, stolen by Comandante. Kalakas, nawalan ni Singh. Singh, naman. 2 points para kay Singh. Oh, diba? Time out calling. Official score 24-15 in favor of Isasriel. Sasedon. Stolen by Nase. Inangat. 2 points para kay Champion Nase. Pubago. Viva to ball. Pass to Alice. Pass to Sasedon. But first of all, sa traveling tayo siya.
Second quarter na ano wala rin yan.
Nase. Foul. Nasa basket. Nase. Second. Personal foul. Penalty. Bonus try para kay Burgayong. No, bumila na ito ng dati. Inangat. Not counted. Labas mo na. Bago tira.
Ay, pala po.
Soriano pass to Nase. Nase pass to Singh. Out of bounds, single. 18 seconds ang shot clock, Nase.
Bakit kayo bayitan mo?
12 seconds ang shot clock. Nase naman. 2 points para kay Joshua Nase. Estrella, ganit tayo Soriano. Save ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Burgayong. Inaka-block by Singh. Nakuha ni Comandante. Kaya by Estrella. 2 points para kay Estrella. 5 minutes. Soriano inbound the ball. Pass to Nase. Nase, sending a play. Nase pass to Singh at the middle. Singh naman. Foul mula sa basket. Who's foul rep? San Jose. First personal foul penalty. Bonus try para kay Singh. Foul Soriano. First personal foul penalty. 2 shots para kay Estrella. Basket is good. Last round para kay Estrella. Good rebound by Estrella pa rin. Pass to Burgayong. Open for 3. 3 points para kay Carlo Burgayong. Soriano inbound the ball. Pass to Nase. Nase, bumawi. Wala, nakawa ni Comandante. Block by San Jose. Nakawa ni Burgayong. Wala, nakawa ni Tubago. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Defense ball. Burgayong galing kay Soriano. Burgayong. No, buti na kay Comandante. Inangat. Elbow niya ang wani. Burgayong, easy 2 points. Official score 31-25 in favor of Isasriel. Nase, pass to Singh, stolen by Estrella. 2 points. Time out! Estrella, guarded by Banting. Estrella. Foul. Banting. First personal foul penalty. Make sure na defense usap ko dapat eh. Make sure na defense usap. First try, no good. Last throw para Estrella. Ano ba na time at count please? Last throw. No good again. Rebound by Banting. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Singh. Malakas. Nakawa ni Banting pa rin. Pass to Nase. Sa gilid inangat. No, dribble na by Comandante inangat. Rebound by Banting. Pass to Nase. Rosa remove. Nasa pass to C. Same ball. At seconds. Inaulay na game. Estrella. 12 seconds to shoot. Nasser. Green ball. All the ball at Tama County. Estrella. Pass to Bulgayo. Bulgayo. Bulgayo matay. Nag-rebound by Tulgako. Nagagawa. Tulgako pa rin inangat. Nag-rebound by Point by Comandante. Bulgayo. 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 Pass to Estrella. Play. Estrella to middle. Foul. Lasa basket. Nasir. Third personal foul penalty. Ball strike para Estrella. Basket good, triple play para Estrella. Nasir, masuk Comandante. 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 Comandante inangat. Rebound kay Estrella. 2 points para Estrella. Isa na lang po ang alamangan ng Ace Israel. Nasir, pass to Singh. Singh, garo kay Drew. Singh, play. Shot. Basket is good. All the way at County. Estrella.
Ni-upload ko lang itong
Estrella.
para malinaw.
Estrella. Block by Comandante. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Estrella. Pass to San Jose. Shot. 2 points para San Jose. Official score 35-34. 1 point lead para sa Ace Israel. Nasir. Nasir. Pass to C. Malakas sa rebound. The ball goes to D. Foul. Magan. Ay, banting pala. Second personal foul penalty. No, good rebound by C. Pop. Shot. Foul. Estrella. Last row. Basket's good. Bulgayo, inbound the ball. Pass to Estrella. Back to Bulgayo. Bulgayo, umatake. Bulgayo pa rin. Pass to Tulgako. Nahulog. Rebound by Singh. Pump. Shot. Basket's good. Tara kay Singh. Bulgayo. Bulgayo, open for 3. No, good rebound by Singh. Singh. Pass to Nasir. Nasir pass to Banting. Trump. Foul. Bucket. First personal foul penalty. Substitution. Santosi. Move out. First drive para kay Hans Banting. Basket is good. Last draw. No good. Rebound by Singh. Block by Santos. Nakuha ni San Jose. Inangat. Wala. Nakuha ni Singh. Shot. Basket is good para kay Singh. Estrella, kaya ganti. Estrella, close up move. Estrella, wala na wali. Sing, kumandag, nawala mo lang yung foul. Jersey number 30. Santos, third personal foul. Tanong ko lang. Second personal foul. Penalty. Last row para icing. Basket is good. Sacedon, pass to Bulgayo. Adamides. Bulgayo, guarded by Comandante. Pass to San Jose naman. Wala na wani. Banting. Tiyay, wala banting. Bulgayo, pass to Sacedon. Pero may foul. Banting. Last row. Basket is good para sa Sacedon. Harap kami. Sing fake shot. Sebut rimabay Comandante. Ingat. Wala na wani. Santos to points para kay Santos. Basket is good. Nase pass to Sing. Back to Nase. Berubah by San Jose. Pass to Bulgayo. Andres. Berubah by Santos. Back to Bulgayo. Pass to Sacedon. Di situ points para kay Sacedon. Substitution. Banting out. Nase, second tray. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Sing. Running time po yan, running time. Sacedon. Pass to Bulgayo. Over to points para kay Bulgayo. Last 30 seconds. Nase. Started by Sacedon. No good. Out of bounds. 8-6 with the ball. Bali join one ball pass to Nase. That shot nakisok. 15 seconds to shoot. Nase, umikot, pinasa kay Bali. Block by San Jose. Out of bounds. Balido. Pass to Nase, pass to Balido. Back to Nase. Penangat, wala, nakuha ni Comandante. Comandante pa naman ang bola malaki. Nga, 2 points para kay Comandante. Time left, 40 minutes and 20 seconds. Here comes Sacedon. He's screened by jersey number 15, pass to Sacedon. Outside jump ball, the ball goes to Hayes Real. Comandante inbound the ball, pass to Nase. Back to Comandante. Comandante, back to Nase. Napataas yung pasa. Nase pa rin. Back to Comandante. Comandante, pass to Sing. Sing, pass to Ibo. Defensive foul. Ibo!
Kaya naman, kinagdag.
Warning to pasyal ka na. First, team foul. Wala pala team foul yun. Bugayong. Here comes Bugayong. Pass to sa Sedon. Sa Sedon. Sa Sedon pa rin napitangan ng bola. Nakuha ni Comandante. Wala. Nakuha ni Bugayong. At sa middle. Is it up 2 points para kay Bugayong. Hold the ball. Ref timeout committee. Padaanin na po natin yung dati. Pass to natin. Back to Comandante. Wala, nakuha ni Iwo. Jersey number 19. No good rebound by Bugayong. 2 points para kay Bugayong. Score 50-51. 1 point lead para sa Hayes. Israel. Here comes Joshua. Inangat. Wala. Rebound by Estrella. Pass to sa Sedon. Pass to Bugayong. Open for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Sing. Stolen by Nase. Nasa pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Binigay kay Sing. Pump, spin. Pass to outside. Same ball. Last 15 seconds to shoot. All the ball na timeout committee. Bench po na Nase. Pass to Comandante. Comandante outside. Same ball. Comandante. Pass to Nase. Back to Comandante. Comandante binigay kay Sing sa ilalim. Little short rebound by Estrella. Nilabas ng konti. Nilabas. But it's made for the referee's decision. It's a not counted. Same ball. Defense ball. Bugayong inbound the ball. Pass to sa Sedon. Back to Bugayong. Bugayong pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Screen by jersey number 15. Bugayong nag-drip. Pa-drip. Outside. This is real ball. Hold the ball, ref. Timeout committee. Official score po natin. Nase. Binigay kay Sing sa ilalim. Sing looking for his teammates. Is stolen by Estrella. Shot. Passing is good. His score 54-56. Down to 2-point lead. Here comes Sing. Sing is spin. Raise it up. No good. Pass to Bugayong. It's a deadlock timeout! Hayes, Israel!
Pagod na.
Banting, nag-trip, bad-trip, nakuha ni Bugayong. Bugayong, binigay kay Kubakub. Binigay kay Sasidon, atake ng middle! With a wrong song. Traveling violation. It's a Marco Polo move. Banting. Pass to Nase. Pass to sa Sedon wala na crazy foul. Obabo. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Kaya narating eh. Bibigay ko ba ako sa kanya, sir?
Ano saying mo dyan?
Bibigay ko ba ako sa kanya?
2 out of 2 para kay Sing. Walang kasing. Galing. Here comes sa Sedon. Guarded by Banting. Pass to Estrella. Wala. Nakuha ng outside. Is Israel ball. Banting, pass to Nase. Guarded by Sasedon. Nase pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Umigot-igot. Nase, pull up J. No good. Rebound by Singh. Shot. Basket is good. Sasedon, pass to Bugayong. Bugayong. Umatake. Binigay kay Kubaku. Take. Shot. Basket is good. Para kay Kubaku. Score. Tignan ka na lang. Here comes Nase. Nase pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Looking for his teammates. Is stolen by Sasedon. Sasedon. Inangat. Wala. Nakuha ni Nase. Binigay kay Banting. Back to Nase. Pass to Singh. Pass it is good. Estrella. Estrella. Inangat, wala, nakuha ni Estrella pa rin. Binigay kay Banting, pass to Singh. Singh, wala, nakuha, but there's a call. Foul. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 11. Kubakub committed third personal foul. Second team foul. First try para kay Manalansan. No good. Second try. Basket is good. Hold the ball back. Substitution. Bugayong inbound the ball. Pass to Sasedon. Back to Bugayong. Bugayong inangat. Wala. Nakuha ni Comandante. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Sasedon. Pass to Kubaku. It's a down ball. Ayun, pass to Estrella, pull up J, 2 points. Down to 2-point lead. He scores 61-63. Here comes Nase. Pass to is stolen by San Jose. The ball goes to Hayes Israel. Here comes Nase. Nase, pass to Singh at the middle. Singh pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Bitay sa outside. Turnover. Defense ball. Sasedon, inbound the ball. Pass to Bugayong. Bugayong. Bugayong pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Binigay kay Sasedon. Is stolen by Nase. Using the glass. No good. Pass to Singh. 2 points para kay Singh. Here comes Estrella for three. No good. Rebound by Manalansan. Manalansan. Singh ball. Hayes Israel ball. Time out. Dadaan yung sponsor namin. Pwedeng mangutang. Bawal bumili. Nase. Pass to Singh. Is stolen by Sasedon. 2 points para kay Sasedon. Time left 7 minutes and 35 seconds. He score 65-63. Here comes Nase. Nase looking for his teammates. Pass to Jordan. Sasedon. Pass to Bugayong. Back to Sasedon. Screen by San Jose. Sasedon. Pass to San Jose. 2 points. Wala pass by Sasedon. Oh, 65. Banting. Pass to Nase. Nase pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Nase. Binigay kay Manalansan sa ilalim. Wala. Nakuha ni San Jose. It's a easy field goal, but the ball pass to Nase. Pass to Timeout committee. Bagi warning ang bench ng defense. So Nase pa rin ang bentanga ng bola. Nase, pass to Manalansan, guarded by San Jose. That goes the foul. Sacedon. Second. Ano ba? Third personal foul. Sacedon. Banding, pass to Nase. Pass to Singh. Wala na, kuha ni San Jose. Binigay kay Estrella ay nangat. Wala, follow shot by Nase. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Bugayong. Bugayong to take the lead for 3. No good, rebound by Manalansan. Using the glass, no good. Turnover, he sees well goal. Pass to Nase. Pass to Singh. Inangat, 2 points para kay Singh. Bugayong, pass to Sacedon. Pass to Sacedon pa rin. Side step and move. The good rebound by Singh. 2 shots. San Jose, foul, committed. Pass to Bugayong. Back to Estrella. Estrella, lazy round, no good to rebound by Nase. Tell the Bugayong. Foul. Foul, jersey number 11, Banting, warning to graduate,
Baka mauubos kayo.
13 foul.
Ako maubos.
Oo ba?
Sacedon, back to Bugayong, on the 3, no good to rebound by San Jose. San Jose pass to Estrella shot, wala na, wala yung Manalansan, nilabas ang konti. Manalansan, inangat, 2 goals, Manalansan.
Martis ko pala eh.
Time out!
Sabi mo.
Ano ba yun?
May nagsaside comment dito. Ah,
Martis ko pala eh. Martis lang eh. Ay, pwede mag-artista, rep.
may side comment po dito yung kapatid ng co-player.
Warning nga siya, ano eh, Martis lang.
Yan.
Bugayong inbound the ball, pass to Sacedon, back to Bugayong. Bugayong at the middle, pass to Sacedon, 2 points para kay Sacedon. Danting inbound the ball, pass to Nase. Nase setting the play. Pass to Manalansan shot, no good, rebound by Out of bounds, the ball goes to defense. Move tayo. It's a traveling violation.
Traveling.
Nase. Nase, sa the play, pass to jump ball. The ball goes to defense. Sa second, inbound the ball, pass to Bulgayo. Bulgayo, at the middle, lays it up. Pass is good. He scores, 75-71. 4.3 para sa ACL. Nase. Nase. Nase, pass to Manalansan. Back to Nase, open for three. Favorite, pero by Santos. Santos, pass to Bulgayo. 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 Remove the ball. Bulgayo pa rin naman ang bola. Bulgayo, pass to Estrella. No good, rebound by Santos. Tutuloy sa Santos. Dalawa na lang ang malaman ng ACL. Tayo kami, tumagdag. Nase. Sa 3 seconds.
Ito pa yung may react dito. Oh.
Sa second, pass to Bulgayo. Bulgayo ang mga clutch na ulit. Offensive foul para kay Kando Bulgayo. Committed, first personal foul. Banting, inbound the ball, pass to Nase. Nase, pass to Singh. Singh, rolling back, tumira ng time. Bulgayo sa traveling violation. Bulgayo. Bulgayo, masakit yung middle shot. No-good rebound by Manalansan. Manalansan, minangat. Wala na kami, Manalansan pa rin minangat. That's is good para kay Manalansan. Ang laki mo.
Apat.
Sa second, Garnet Balanti.
Laki. Laki ng harap.
Foul. Banti.
Graduate. Ha? Si Rupert na. Rupert. Kaya ilan na rin ang foul niya.
Ayan na siya. Bulgayo. Castro is good. He scored. 77-75. Tumingin para sa Ace ng Israel. Hangout penalty. Magan. Castro, Nase. Nase back to Magan. Magan! Wala na yung Mr. Rela. Inangat. Foul! Magan! Running to penalty. First right counted para kay Estrella. Jumpers ready. Last round para kay Estrella. No, good rebound by C. C. Nilabas ng konti. Nawala ang bola. Nawala ni Estrella. Nawala ni Nase. Wala rin. Nawala ni Estrella. Nilabas ang bola. Estrella pasok sa Cedron. Sa Cedron. Sa the play. Sa Cedron. Natayin na kami. Dahil sa Rapla. Nawala ni C. Nilabas ang bola.
Hindi naman. Sayang.
Magan, pass to Nasir. Nasir, guarded by Sasadon. 15 seconds to shoot. Nasir. Nasir, pass to C. Standing back to Brian. Magan, pass to Nasir. 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 Nasir berada di tangan bola. Nasir menjawab. Rebound dari San. Shot. Who's fouled it? Who's fouled it? Jersey number 15, Santos. Forbidden. Running to the runway. Penalty. Terus berguna para Alasan.
Bang super ka?
Last draw. Nagbigay rebound by Brugayo. Pass to Sasagon. Pass to Brugayo. Open to three. Out of bounds. The ball goes to the Birds. Brugayo. Pass to Sasagon. Sasagon, sering away. Sasagon, nagkagawa, nawawani. Santos pass to Estrella. 15 seconds to shoot. Estrella, shot. Basket is good by Estrella. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Israel. Nasir. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Nasir. 10 seconds. 2, 3. Para po ng isa. Ang defense. Team. Pass to Nasir. Foul. Sasadon. Second personal foul. Penalty. Two shots foul. Joshua Nasir. Last over by Joshua Nasir.
Na-pressure.
Passing shot by Joshua Nasir. Score. Bella. Oh, 18. On the way of timeout quality. Time left, 36.1 seconds. We score all 18. Bulgayo, passing Sasagon. Sasagon. Passing good by Sasagon. Nakakaroon ng dalawang defense. Nasir, pass to Manalansan. Back to Nasir, wait. tayo. Sa 10 seconds. Foul. Nothing. Running. Penalty. First try para sa penalty. Third try para kay Burgayong. No good. Last throw para kay Burgayong. Passing good para Tama! Congratulations sa defense.
Ano, Rab? Kamusta?
Ito, amiga. Ito,
Tama si Jeremy.
Ayos, sige kayo.
Back to the ball game.